Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that AI after token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, AIAV is a Web3 AI platform that enables users to create and train personalized AI persons through a decentralized learning framework. Users can contribute dialogue, data, and receive rewards within a transparent and scalable ecosystem. AIAV generates AI avatars and evolve based on individual conversation, supporting applications such as reconnecting with someone, rehearsing dialogue, or anticipating intersections. The platform combines Web3 infrastructure with AI learning models to address the demand for personalized AI while preserving users' data ownership. Its scalable multi-agent training and data to value pipeline allow users to participate in AI development while retaining control over their data. Since its launch, the AIAV teams has focused on integrating personalized AI integration with transparency, incentives, and decentralized governance, positioning the platform as a user-centric solution in the emerging AI and Web3 ecosystem. AI avatar token total supply is 404.4 million and circulating supply is 58.38 million AI AV token. AI AV token is listed on Binance Alpha, XU.com, LBank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.